I'll leave it on there. It's a pretty neat tool.
You must have forgot me, but I'm still here, lost in the shadows, consumed by your fear. You turned your back, tried to erase, but now I rise from my forgotten place. I'm the ghost in your mind, the scream you ignore. Can't bury the past, it's knocking at your door. Through Afton's eyes you see your lies. I'm still here, rising from the grave, a soul you couldn't save. I refuse to fade. You can't escape, I'm crawling through your skin, the nightmare that begins again. Broken and beaten, but now haunt you forever, a scar on your face. You left me a rot, but I won't decay. I'll drag you down in my endless decay. Feel my wrath, the purple demise. I'm the fire inside that you can't control. You've lost me away, but I've taken your soul. Through Afton's eyes, you'll realize. Here, rising from the grave, a soul you couldn't save. I refuse to fade. You can't escape. I'm crawling through your skin, the nightmare that begins again. I'm still here, rising from the grave, a soul you couldn't save. I refuse to fade. You can't escape. I'm crawling through your skin, the nightmare that begins again. Thought you could hide, but I'm in every breath. I'll take you with me to the end. You'll never forget, no matter how you try. I'm still alive, I'll never die. I've got just your purple demise. I'll stay alive, I'll never die. You can't deny I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still here, rising from the grave, a soul you couldn't save. I refuse to fade. You can't escape. I'm crawling through your skin, the nightmare that begins again. I'm still here, rising from the grave, a soul you couldn't save. I refuse to fade. You can't escape. I'm crawling through your skin, the nightmare that begins again. Thought you could hide, but in every breath, I'll take you with me to the edge of death. I'll never forget, no matter how you try. You must have forgotten me, but I'm still here. In the dark where you hide from your fear. Through Afton's eyes, your purple demise.
Using my Satellite City Thick super glue. Oh, gee, those pins just go straight in. I'm at 41, so it's very wet, and it's been wet for a long time, but just right in that spot. So don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. I used to watch Robbo Robertson is one of the best wood turners I've ever seen from Australia. And he told me one time to put alcohol on the bowl and then light it on fire. It would pull the moisture out. And I can do that without heating up the rest of the piece, because I don't want it to split. So this is denatured alcohol, and it's gonna burn. It's not terribly hot, but it should draw out that moisture. And I turned the light off so I could see where it was burning in case it dripped down onto my workbench. And that's exactly where it needs to burn, right there on the back side is very soft and wet. So we were at what, 41? We'll try it when that goes out, see where we're at. I can kind of guide it. You can see the moisture coming out of it. It's so soft right there. The alcohol just soaks into it. Yeah, so we're at 19.3 and it's orange now. It's not red. All right, this is my handheld blower. I really like using this rather than compressed air. I think we all know the hazards of compressed air.